Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to save TOME AI. So first of all, head over to any project that you're working on. For example, I'm opening this project, and if I edit this text, that is marketing strategy, if I change the color of this text to red and this text to blue, so I just performed an action, that is changing the color of these text. I will also add a title, marketing. So these are some of the actions that I performed, changing the color of this text and adding another text. Now you'd be wondering how you can save the action that you're performing on TOME. So I'm going to tell you that there is no specific button to save on TOME AI. What you can do is simply go back and those changes will be saved automatically. As you can see, if I open this project again, the changes that I made to this project has automatically been saved. So there is an automatic saving feature on TOME AI. There is no button through which you can click on save and save this specific action that you're performing on TOME AI. So TOME AI will save everything automatically. You can go to another page, edit anything you want, and that specific editing will be saved automatically. And if you want to know how to save this presentation onto your PC, you will have to basically click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on Export to PDF. When you click on Export to PDF, you'll have to upgrade to a plan, and by upgrading to a plan, you'll be able to save this presentation on your PC just in one click. So that's how you save TOME AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.